bàbá olóyin sẹ̀sán adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan. Bàbá olóyin original. I am saying at Yesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesiota. The program you are watching today is from Ickne Show TV. Ickne Show. And the phone number is on the screen. 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. You can also reach me on another number. 080 54 74 94 55. 080 54 74 94 55. It's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, 080 54 74 94 55. You know, it won't speak well. When customers are with me, they begin to pick us in their presence. If you happen to be one of them, you won't like it. Send your messages on WhatsApp. Today, I want to give you one secret. One secret. If you have hiccups, hiccups, Iko, esuke, Iko esuke. It can kill a person at any bloody time. It can kill when you are fast asleep. It can kill when you just wake up. It can kill when you are eating food. Hiccups, esuke. Just small thing. Now the key person. Just the secret I want to give you today again. Get seated. But before then, don't forget I publish many books. This one is a medicine book. This Healing Power of Honey. This Solution to Woman Problems book. This African Power Part 1. This African Power Part 2. And this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. To know the contents of each book, go and search for my past videos. Or when you have one problem, you will tell me, Baba, which book can I buy to solve my problem? Oh? Like this one now, if you can't sleep very well, when you have hypertension, you can't sleep very well, you will develop hypertension. Hypertension can kill a person anyhow, anytime. The person you saw yesterday can die today. The person you see in the morning before 2, he can die. Hypertension is a silent killer. When you have hypertension, how to use honey, the secret is here. You have ulcer, stomach ulcer, pelvic ulcer, the secret is here. You have total hatred in your body, the secret is here. And in this book also, you have tuberculosis. The secret is here. You always have bad dreams. They always beat you in the dreams. You can't sleep in the night again because of bad people will beat you. You always eat in the dreams. The secret is in Honors in Medicine. For other contents in the other books, send your message on WhatsApp. I will tell you what you need. Now back to what I earlier said. Do you know when you have hiccups, you know cassava powder? Èlùbọ́ funfun. White cassava powder. Cassava powder. When you develop that thing, I advise you to keep it in the house. So it's very good. When you develop hiccups, esuke, ama pààyàn. When you develop hiccups, you just take small powder, liquid, use water to pull it down. But later, esuke máa lọ ni. Yes. Yoruba get power. African people get power. I put the secret in my book, African Power Part 1. Those who bought it can say, Baba, it's true. When you see some people are giving me money, they practice what I'm teaching. Some people never buy my books, but because they are enjoying the programs only. Some people will even tell you they can't do it, they can't practice it, they can't get onion, they can't get bitter leaf. But what they are doing, anytime I teach free thing like this, they practice it. They later come to buy my books. Yes. Practice it. Hiccups. And damn. Àwọn èèyàn mi ṣègbè torí wọn ò ní mọ̀. Yorùbá get power. African people get power. I can't go without thanking those people that are giving me money. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. Mo fẹ́, Olúwa kọ́ máa bọ́ fẹ́, mo kọ̀kọ́ ló bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Amen. Always help my unit super thanks on YouTube channel. This channel, Kenny Show. Ọmọ Ìbàdàn, Kenny Show, rí o jàre. Kenny Show. Amen. Always give me money on my YouTube super thanks. God will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. Yes, you will live long to eat the fruits of your labor. Thank you very much. Amen. When we say prayers, we end it with Jamil. Àbí lórúkọ Jésù. When we say prayers, we always end it with amen. God has already said amen to your prayers. You will continue to enjoy your life. You will eat what you like, not just any food. Thank you very much. My other brothers and sisters in US, thank you very much. There are plenty. Some people don't want me to mention their name. There are plenty. Mr. Stanley is there. Mr. Michael is there. I don't want to mention some name. There are plenty. Yes, there are plenty. Mr. Kim is there. Yes, Auntie Funke in USA, there are plenty. My only daughter in Belgium, there are plenty. Thank you very much. Mr. Peter is there in US. Thank you very much. There are plenty. In Dublin, in Canada, in Japan. Ẹni jẹ́ bàjẹ́. Bí wúrẹ́ bá jọ sóde ajẹ́rè bọ̀ wá sílé o. Lọ́lá Olúwa èrè ní tiwa. Gbogbo pátá lẹ́ẹ̀kiri ọjà délé o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Odídẹrẹ́ èkú sẹ́yìn òdì. Gbogbo pátá ẹ̀ sọ òjèrè ni. Yes, ẹ̀yìn alákùbá lẹ́nu sẹ́yìn. Thank you very much. Some people always call me. They don't see alligator pepper. They don't see cowries. They don't see mercy leaves. We are looking for forgiveness leaves. Somebody's USA that can say for you. And you need the hard copies of my book with original only. Go and see Asake Kelly. First Lady Botanical Stores, number 445, Jackson Avenue, Elizabeth, New Jersey, USA. Telephone number +1 86 22 70 6019. It's a prophetess and she's always busy. Send your messages on WhatsApp. She will reply you. It's always busy. It's a prophetess. He used to pray for some people. Then when you have spiritual problems, contact her. Okay, ṣe gbáǹkú. Bó ti rí ibi tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé dùn jura wọn. When your husband don't stay at home again, you don't talk together, you don't speak together, you don't discuss together again, you don't eat together again, you don't share problems together again. Ẹsẹ̀ yaro. You have such problems. Maybe somebody is feeding your husband outside. See, Asake Yameke. First Lady Botanical Stores, number 445, Jackson Avenue, Elizabeth, New Jersey, USA. Yes. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi kọ́ máa dojúrú o. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi kọ́ máa dojúrú. Tọ́rọ̀ bá dàrú tán tọ́lọ́rọ̀ ló ń dà. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi kọ́ máa dojúrú. Yes, if you like today's program, don't forget, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have never subscribed. Share among friends and relatives. Share among friends and relatives. Then you can watch me on my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original TV, Baba Oloyin Original Television, and my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. Yes. Watch it to see me there as well. Some people ask, are you on TikTok? I'm on TikTok. Search for Baba Oloyin Original TV on TikTok. You see me there as well. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.